If your fan wobbles as it turns, it may be time to balance it. Now these easy steps from Lamps Plus will show you how. One is to tighten the fan and downrod screw connections, and the other is to use a fan balancing kit. Now we're going to talk about both methods in this video, and let's start by showing you how to tighten the screw connections on your fan. Start by turning the power off. You're then going to loosen the canopy cover screws and pull the cover down to expose the mounting bracket screws. Tighten the screws and replace the cover. Next, check the screw fittings on the downrod itself. Tighten any that are loose. Do the same with any screws that hold the blade holders and the fan blades in place. Get a tape measure and check the distance from the ceiling to the bottom of each fan blade. All the blades should measure at the exact same distance from the ceiling. This is also a really good time to give your fan a quick clean if it needs it. Switch the power on and see if the wobbling has stopped. If not, it's time to break out the fan balancing kit. Now, you should have received one with your fan. If not, they're very inexpensive to purchase. In the kit, you'll find a plastic clip and a balancing weight with sticky pads. You're going to place the clip on the back edge of each blade, midpoint between the blade holder and the furthest tip of the blade. You turn the fan on to see if the clip stops the wobble. Now it's best to use the top fan speeds for this. What we're looking for is a blade that's out of alignment and unbalanced. If there's no improvement, move on to the next blade. Repeat on all of the blades until you find the unbalanced one. Once you've found the blade where the fan wobbles the least with the clip attached, move the clip along the length of the blade and test where it helps the most. Then press a balancing weight into the center of the fan blade. The weight should line up with the clip. Remove the clip, turn the fan on to test, and you should see a big improvement. If all of this doesn't work, you may need to contact an electrician. It may be that your outlet box is not heavy duty enough for a fan, or it may be improperly attached to the ceiling joists. Visit lampsplus.com to shop or contact us with any questions.